everyone! Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest chicken dinner. Let me show you how it's done. Today we're working with chicken breast tenderloins. The first thing I'm going to do is cut out this white strand because that stays pretty chewy. So I'm going to remove that from each one of these. All right, so then the next step is we're going to season the chicken. I'm going to use olive oil as the glue. You can use canola oil as well. So I'm just going to add a little bit on top just for it to act as a glue. And then what you're going to do is you're going to season it with your favorite seasoning. You could go as simple as salt and pepper. I like to use this all-purpose seasoning called adobo. This is one of my favorites, all-purpose seasoning, but you can use your favorite. This has some salt, garlic, cumin. If you're interested in knowing what flavor profile this has. But you could use salt, pepper, you can use Italian seasoning, you could use any herbs that dry herbs that you prefer. And then we're gonna sprinkle with the Parmesan cheese, not too heavily. Some of it is falling off, so it looks like I'm adding a lot, but really most of it is gonna fall off. And actually, some of the Parmesan cheese gets stuck on the pan. So you're really not going to end up eating all the Parmesan cheese that you're sprinkling on top. So you want to add maybe a little bit more than what you intend to actually eat, just to make sure you have some Parmesan cheese actually on your chicken. And I'm using my hands to kind of press it on the chicken. And then we're going to flip it. We're going to brush with the oil again. Season it. And then again, the Parmesan cheese on top. Press it down with your hands just to get a light coat on it. And now it's ready to cook. Now we're going to cook the chicken on the pan. I have it preheated to between medium and high, a little bit closer to medium because I don't want the Parmesan cheese to burn, but I do want it to get golden. I'm going to use this brush to make sure that I don't put too much oil in the bottom of the pan, just to keep the fat content as low as possible, but still be able to brown those pieces of chicken. There we go. So that's good. And as soon as I put the oil down, I can see the smoke coming up. That lets me know that the oil is hot. I might have to adjust the temperature and bring it down. We'll see. All we need is about 3 minutes on each side. They cook really fast. I'm just going to put 4 in here because that's what I can fit right now. If you get a bigger pan, you'll be able to do the whole pack. So we'll count 3 minutes. It's been exactly 3 minutes, so I'm gonna flip these. That's beautiful. That's exactly what we want. And now another 3 minutes on this side, 3 to 4, just until you know that that chicken is done. All right, it's been another about 3.5 minutes, so these chicken are cooked. I'm gonna pull them out, and I just wanna show you how some of the Parmesan cheese does stay stuck on the pan, so that's why I said that it's okay if you're a bit generous when you're adding it, because some of it will stay on your cutting board and some of it will stay on your pan. Look at that, that's beautiful. Look at that brown. Beautiful, that's exactly what we want. These are very juicy and tender. Did you see how quick that was? And super delicious. Your family's gonna love it. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.